Hello friends, in this video today I am going to discuss generative AI. So let's see why this term is so much popular nowadays. You may have heard about ChatGPT, Dale.ai. So let's see what is generative AI. So generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence which mainly focus on generating new and original content. It makes use of different models which helps in generating a new content. So the main purpose of generative AI is to produce unique and creative outputs in terms of content like video, audio, text contents, etc. There are many different applications of generative AI. I have listed few here. So like generative AI can be used for image generation, text generation, music composition and video synthesis. You can ask generative AI for different topics and it can give answer after analyzing different models. Like you have heard about ChatGPT, etc. That is a text generation AI model. Similarly, generative AI can compose original music in different forms. It can create different images. It can create different versions of a person, how he will look like 20 years from now, how a place will look like after 20 years. So it can create different versions of image. It can also generate different realistic video content. So as you can see, mostly it is used for creating different kind of content, analyzing the vast amount of data which it sources for creating its output. So how generative AI works? So basically the most common approach which generative AI makes use is generative adversarial networks, which we call as GAN. So GAN has two main components. One is a generator and other is a discriminator. That is why it's also called a generative AI, because its main component is a generator. So generator, what it does, it tries to produce realistic content, while the discriminator aims to differentiate between real and the generated content. So both of these components of generative AI, it works through an iterative training process where the data is a source of training. So benefits of generative AI. Generative AI can be used to make our life easier. For suppose if you have to create some content, if you have to create some video, different versions of video, different versions of an image, then we can make use of generative AI to see how these different versions are and we can select one of them. So it encourages creativity and innovation, generation of new original ideas. It helps us in content creation at large scale and reducing the time, saving our effort, makes our work more efficient. Personalization. Generative AI can also create personalized content based on the individual preferences. There are different possibilities of generative AI and it is still in experimentation phase. So the exploration is happening currently in industry, how to make more usage of generative AI across different fields. Challenges and considerations. There are few challenges, like since the generative AI model works on the data, it is mainly trained on a large set of data. So data bias. So suppose if your data is having some bias, having some error, then the generative AI content will have those bias effect. So that is one challenge. Second is ethical concern. The content which generative AI can create, that content can be misused for unethical purpose such as misinformation, etc. intellectual property. Sometimes generative AI makes use of large database behind its model. So uh, the content which it creates may have some content which is already copyright content, and if you have used that content somewhere, so the copyright issue may occur with the generated content. And human AI collaboration, there should be a balance, like how much generative AI content and how much human creativity should be mixed to create unique music, audio, video, image, etc. Real world examples, there are different examples across which generative AI is used nowadays, like deep art, juke deck, and this person doesn't exist. Deep art is a platform that transforms photos into artwork. Similarly, juke deck is used for music composition, and it generates original tracks based on user preferences. And this person does not exist is a website that generates realistic human faces that do not actually exist. So future directions, so as per the current, it is still emerging. So what in future, the models can be more better improved, the training data can be improved to avoid any kind of data bias. The more ethical guidelines, the more improved and well drafted guidelines should be there in future to govern the use of generative AI. Similarly, creative industry, generative AI will reshape industries such as art, music, and entertainment and collaboration. Generative AI can be helpful in collaboration with human creativity for enhanced outcome. So friends, in this video we have seen what is generative AI, why it is so much getting attention nowadays, what are its usage, what are the challenges which may come, and what are the future directions in the field of generative AI. So, friends, if you like my video, please do like the video and subscribe my channel for any future updates. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you.